Let's talk about first impressions for a minute. Nothing makes a bigger difference than our smile. It affects the way we look, of course, but also how we feel and really how we function throughout the day. So if yours isn't what you want it to be, my next guest, well, they can help you fix that. I'm at Dental Studio 101 in North Scottsdale this morning. I'm talking with doctors Megan Boyle and Robert Cook. Thanks for having us out to your beautiful office today.
Absolutely.
Thanks for being here.
Dental Studio 101, tucked up in North Scottsdale, has been around the valley for more than 30 years. There's quite a bit of longevity there. How has it evolved over those 3 decades?
Our founder, Dr. Mark Peck, had sort of a vision to start a different sort of practice. And he wanted to have patient-centered care really in mind. And so he started a boutique practice where we have the ability to spend more time and give each patient quality care.
I love that you said the word boutique, because this feels, from the minute you walk in, it just feels different. It feels less clinical than a traditional dental office. You have water out front, the colors that you've chosen. The overall vibe, the experience that patients will have here is different. Talk to me a little bit more about that patient experience.
So we know that dentistry can be stressful and intimidating, and we want patients to feel comforted from the time they step in the door. So we have a highly trained team that is excellent at just reassuring patients. And Dr. Boyle and myself, we take the time to get to know the patients, know their specific needs, and treat them accordingly. So we want them to be comfortable the entire part of the process.
And we're finding that that is kind of hard to come by these days in dental practices, where you get that amount of consultation and that quality care. How does that impact the experience for a patient who's maybe a little bit scared of going to the dentist?
We know that it can be super vulnerable to be in this chair.
100%.
It's really scary. And we kind of make it our mission to take the time to make sure that each patient is comfortable, that they understand what is needed and what is the best option for their long-term health as well.
So if somebody is watching right now and maybe they have put off their dental care for a while and they need to be seen, or maybe they just have a smile that has kept them from enjoying the diet that they want, they can't chew things or they're hiding it, what are some things that they need to be keeping in mind when they finally decide they're ready to have a smile makeover?
Yeah, I would say they really just, sooner they can get in, the better. And, we'll meet patients exactly where they're at and, like I said, address their specific needs. For me, I want patients to have a healthy foundation. So that means their gum health is paramount, and then also function. So I want them to be able to eat healthy foods, specifically like, crunchy vegetables and things like that are more nutritious. That's one of the first kinds of foods that people aren't able to eat as they start to lose their dentition.
Yeah, and you said you always want them to start with the end in mind. I love when you said that earlier, because that's the ultimate goal, is to get the smile that it's in our head. We know what we want to look like, and with that, you can help create that for your patients.
Absolutely. We want patients to bring what their goals are, and like I said, start with the end in mind, so that we can make sure that we create a specific treatment plan for them to get to where they want to be. And whether that's teeth that are straighter, teeth that are whiter, or just functional in general, we're here for them.
And I have to say, I'm kind of throwing you a little, this is coming out of you have a massage chair here too.
Yeah.
I've never heard of a dental studio that has a massage chair. What's the ideology behind that?
Well, like Dr. Cook said, we want to make sure that we take the anxiety related to dentistry out of the picture. So anything we can do to, I always say, take the edge off is what we can do to help you be comfortable. Do you need a blanket? Do you need some eucalyptus? We are here for that, for sure.
Yes, and yes, all of it. I love it. Really unique experience. Again, tucked away here in North Scottsdale. They're right near Lone Mountain and Scottsdale Road. If you'd like more information, you can call them at the number on your screen or visit dentalstudio101.com.